If you want to edit the footer on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can customize your footer, add your own content, adjust the layout, and match the footer to the rest of your website. Whether you want to add copyright text, navigation links, your logo, or social icons, Squarespace gives you the tools to do it quickly once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and navigate to any page on your site. Once you're inside your site editor, click the edit button in the top left corner of the site preview screen. This opens the live editing view where you can make changes directly to your page. Now scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page layout. You'll want to keep going until you reach the footer area. When you hover your mouse over the bottom layout section, a black toolbar should appear. On that toolbar, click Edit Footer. This is the option that takes you into the footer editing mode, where you can customize everything in that section. Once you're in the footer editor, you'll see a grid-based layout. This is where Fluid Engine gives you a lot of flexibility. To start adding content, click the plus Add Block button in the top left corner of the grid. From here, you can insert different types of elements depending on what you want your footer to show. If you want text, choose a text block. This is perfect for copyright notices, business info, contact details, or navigation links. If you want to add branding, choose an image block so you can upload your logo or another visual element. And if you want to connect your social media accounts, add a social links block to display icons for your platforms. After adding your blocks, you can resize and move them around to build the footer layout you want. To do that, click on any block and you'll see the blue handle dots appear. These handles let you change the width of the block and reposition it inside the footer grid. Drag the handles carefully until the block looks balanced and aligned with the rest of the design. This is one of the best parts of Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine because you're not locked into a rigid footer layout. You can create a minimal footer, a multi-column footer, or even a more custom branded design depending on your website style. Next, if you want to change the footer background color, look for the Edit Section button on the right side of the footer section toolbar. It usually appears as a pencil icon. Click that, and then choose the Colors tab. From there, you can apply one of your pre-made site palette cards so the footer matches your overall branding. This is a simple way to make the footer look cleaner and more professional without needing custom code. Take a moment to review the footer after making your changes. Make sure your text is readable, your logo fits well, and your social icons are spaced properly. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your site looks. And that's it. You now know how to edit footers on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. You've learned how to open the footer editor, add blocks, move and resize elements, and update the footer background color. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Squarespace walkthroughs, website tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.